Dr. David Weiss. Today we're going to do a adipose injection for a gentleman who has a chronic ulcer on the bottom of his foot. The ulcer is on the front of the foot, underneath the big toe joint, which is right here. And the instigator is a bone called the sesamoid, which is a bone that we all have. And because of a high arch, there's a lot of pressure being put on that area. We've tried orthotics, different shoes, and shaving the area down, and it gets a little bit better, but never really goes away. So the adipose injection does pad the area up for a good period of time, and hopefully this wound will go away. Thank you. All right, so here's the area. It's right under the big toe, and you can see where the callus is forming, and it had been an ulcer. It's now healed. So the goal is to make sure that this goes away. So here, the adipose tissue is here. And what we're going to do, we're going to inject this right into the area where the fat should be, his fat. And we're going to move that around a little bit, make sure it stays put. And I am nowhere near the bone. I'm in the area where the fat should be. So there's a nice pocket. And we are done. That's it. And so what we'll do is put a little bandage on this for a few days, and this gentleman can walk on this, and we'll see him again in 2 weeks. Thank you.